Hi students, welcome to online classes here. Hope you all are fine. Now today we are going to be learn about the new topic. Okay, about the new topic. Let us see what the new topic means here. Presentational elements. What is that here? Presentational elements. What is mean by presentation means here I wanted to show you anything. I wanted to present something means you are going to be used a elements. Let us see what those elements we are going to be learn. Okay, the presentational elements are here. We have in the presentational elements we are going to be used the presentational elements we are going to be use so many tags. Presentation means here we are going to be give some a presentation for PPT. That means here with the help of a web page I am going to be show the information to all. How it going to be show the information to all with the help of elements. What that elements means here? Presentational elements. Presentational elements. Let us see here. We have here few elements. Here we have here few elements. Elements means here tags. Elements means here tags. Do you know everything? You have know it, all of you. I will tell you one by one. Okay. In the presentational elements, you are going to be used so many tags. You are going to be used here so many tags. Let us see here. Here we are going to be used here B tag. Here we are going to be used here B tag. Here we are going to be used here B tag. That means here B means here bolt. B means here bolt. B tag. That means here the text is going to be displayed a thick size. The text is going to be displayed a thick size. And next here BR tag. BR tag means here break tag. If I use the small tag means here SMALL. Small means here the text is going to be displayed a very small. And next here I tag. I tag means here the style of the text Italian, Roman letters, everything the style will be there, right? You are going to be used a text style that is italic style. Strike means here, suppose in the web page have written a wrong. We cannot delete the text. You have to make it a strike. That means here you are going to get a strike line. And sub, I will tell you what is mean by subscript and superscript. The subscript and the superscript means here suppose x square is there. X square means here how we are going to be write the x square here. How we are going to be write the x square here. Let us see here how we are going to be write the x square. How we are going to be write the x square here. I will tell you in the notepad here. It's going to be taking time here. Notepad. Hmm. I am writing x square, but is it right? No, it's not right. The x square is on the top. Square is on the top side. That means here the square will be displayed on the topmost. That means we cannot write, but with the help of HTML, you can write it. With the help of HTML, you can write it. That is a subscript. Sub means here H2SO4 will be there. H2SO4 super means here x square. Okay, sub super ante entante H2SO4 will be there. Okay, I will tell you here. I am writing H2SO4 మన కెమిస్ట్రీలో ఉంటుంది కదా H2SO4 ఆ 2 అని 4 అది కింద ఉండాలి. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ హియర్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్ కింద ఎక్స్ మధ్యలో స్క్వేర్ పైన ఉండాలి ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. బట్ హౌ ఇట్ గోయింగ్ టు బి హ్యాపెన్, హౌ ఇట్ గోయింగ్ టు బి డిస్ప్లేడ్ హియర్ బై ట్యాగ్. బై ట్యాగ్ దట్ ట్యాగ్ ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ హియర్, the tag is known as here sub and super tag. The TTT means here title tag. TT means here title tag. U means here underline tag. Font means here font means here the size of the text. Center means here the text is going to be displayed on the center. The text is going to be displayed on the center. And div means here divide. That means here mode of the text. Let us see here. You have written a program here. Here I am written a program HTML, starting HTML and ending HTML. In the HTML all I have used here B tag, big tag, small tag, subscript, superscript, underline, center. Okay, let us check it out one by one. I am going to be show you here. Open with notepad. Already the program has written, but I am going to be show you here one by one. Let us see here bold, B tag, big, the text in big size, small, the text is in small size. It's going to be displayed on the small size. Okay, H2O, H2O means here this 2 must be in the sub. This 2 must be in the sub. That's why I've written here like this. X super, x square, square పైన ఉండాలి. అందుకే నేను ఇక్కడ ఏమని రాశాను, what I have written here, sub. Super, what I have written, super అంటే పైన, sub అంటే కింద. Super means top, to super means top, sub means under. Okay, next here slash super. Okay, underline the text, center. Okay, let us check it out the output here. Bold text in big size, text is in the big text, small, H2O, x square, underline ఇదంతా ఒకటే లైన్ లో వస్తుంది. ఎందుకని I have not used here break. I have not used here break. That's why you have to use here break. BR, 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 BR. I am making here file, save. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, bold text, bold text. Next what we have here, next bigs, text is in the big. ఇక్కడ ఏమని రాశాను, text is in the big. Next here text is in the small, text is in the small. Next here H2O, H2O ఎలా ఉంది, H రాశాను, 2 అనేది sub లో రావాలి. That means I used here sub tag, starting sub tag and ending sub tag, and used here O. Next here x square, it 2 అనేది పైన రావాలి. That's why I used here super, SUP. Next this underline text I wanted to get a line, that's why I used here underline. And the center, this is going to be displayed in the center, it's going to be displayed on the center. Let us see now output here. Totally it's going to be changed. See, the bold is in the text, text is in big size, text is in small, H2O, 2 is in the sub, x square, 2 is in the super, that means here top position. Underline, the text is going to be make here underline. I am going to be show here one by one. Starting HTML, in the HTML you are going to be used here head section, presentational P elements. P elements means here presentational elements. Here in the head section, what we are going to be used here, all of you? Title. All programs, the head section is the same, but only the name is the different. P elements. Then next here slash ad. I am starting the body section here slash body body. Then I am making here I am writing here welcome. Hmm? I am ending the body. Then I am ending the slash html. Then I am saving the file. File save. How I am saying here p tag elements dot html. Okay, I am saving it. Let us check it out here. Where it is p tag html p tag elements. Let us see the output here. See, welcome is in the side. The welcome is displayed on the right side of the starting corner. Okay, right side of the starting corner. Now I used the center slash cnt. See here the output is in the start. Output ekkudundi welcome అనేది starting లో వెబ్ పేజ్ లో స్టార్టింగ్ లో ఉంది. నాకు సెంటర్ లో రావాలి. అప్పుడు ఏ ట్యాగ్ యూజ్ చేయాలి? యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూస్ హియర్ సెంటర్ ట్యాగ్. స్టార్టింగ్ సెంటర్ ట్యాగ్, ఎండింగ్ సెంటర్ ట్యాగ్ మధ్యలో వెల్కమ్ రాశాను. లెట్ us see the output here. What happened? Any mistake? File save. See, now the welcome is displayed on the center. Let us see what tag I've used here. What tag I've used here? Center tag. What tag I've used here? Center tag. Okay. Now instead of center I am writing here big. B-I-G. What will happen? Let us see. Instead of center I am using here B. Big. I have not yet out saved. Okay. File. Save. Again I am making here. That means it's going to be displayed only in the big size only. Suppose if I write here small, let us check it out what it happened. SM file save. It very small. Now it's changed. It is very much small, right? Now I am using here strike. S-T-R-I-C-K strike. S-T-R-I-C-K strike. Okay, strike. Okay, now I am saving here. File, save. Then what we are going to get here? We are going to get a strike line of the welcome. Okay, now again I am using here another presentation elements here. H2 H2 SO sorry SO4. Let us see. O4 అన్నీ ఒకటే లైన్లో కనిపిస్తున్నాయి. H2SO4. Let us see the output here. H2SO4. I wanted to write in the center. That's why I'm going to display H2SO4 ఎలా వచ్చింది మనకి? H2 దగ్గర 2 కింద రావాలి, 4 కింద రావాలి. అప్పుడు రావాలి అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? ఈ 2ని సబ్లో యూజ్ చేయాలి. SUB సబ్ ట్యాగ్. నాకు 4 కూడా కింద రావాలి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ లెట్ us see here. ఈ 2 అనేది కింద రావాలి కాబట్టి సబ్, స్టార్టింగ్ సబ్ అండ్ ఎండింగ్ సబ్. ఈ 4 అనేది కింద రావాలి కాబట్టి ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు బి యూజ్డ్ హియర్ స్టార్టింగ్ స్టబ్ అండ్ ఎండింగ్ సబ్. ఓకే, లెట్ us see the output here. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఎట్లుంది? H2SO. Here we have here H2SO4. Here we have here H2SO4. All are in the same line. Let us check it out here. See, H2 is in the under, that means here sub level. 4 is in the sub level. Once again I am repeating here. H2 I want in the sub position. That's why I'm going to be used a tag. That tag is known as here. The tag is known as here sub tag. Starting step sub tag and ending sub tag. The 4 I wanted to display it on the sub. That's why I'm going to be used here starting step and ending sub. That is the use of here sub tag. Suppose I wanted to display here x square. X 2 పైన రావాలి. I wanted to display here x square y square. I wanted to display on the top, but the 2 is displayed in the same line. But how it is possible here? By file, save. See, x square and y square, 2 is in the same line, but I did not want like this. I want on the topmost. I wanted to get on the top. That's why you are going to be used here. What tag we are going to be used here? Super tag. SUP. Starting super and ending super. Okay. Starting super and ending super. Okay, let us check it out the output here. ఈ 2 అనేది పైన రావాలి. అందుకే నేను ఇక్కడ స్టార్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ ది సూపర్ ట్యాగ్ అండ్ ఎండింగ్ ఆఫ్ ది సూపర్ ట్యాగ్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ I have used here 2. And the y square 2 I wanted to get on the top. That means starting of the super tag and the ending of the super tag. See here, what is the output here? 2 is in the same line, y2 is in the same line, but I did not get like this. I wanted to get a adi math prakaranga aithe tappu adi. That means that's why I used a tag. That tag is known as here sub and super. File, save. And next I am using here, see 2 I am going to be get here. ఇక 2 ఎలా వచ్చింది మనకి? 2 we are going to be get x square and y square, we are going to 2 is get on the topmost element. That is the use of here sub tag and the super tag. Now you are going to get a underline u tag. Now you are going to get a u tag. Let us see here what is u tag here. U tag. In the u tag I am writing here underline and ending of the u tag. file file save. Here I am using here, see we are going to get a line under a text. You are going to get a line. To get a line you are going to be used a tag. That tag is known as here u tag. Let us see, I am not writing here u tag. What it happens here, u tag రాయట్లేదు, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది బాడీలో చూడండి, underline, we should not get a line, the line will not be there. That is the use of here u tag. Once again I am writing here u tag. Next here slash u. Let us check it out here. File save. Next underline, you are going to get an underline. Okay, that is the difference between the presentational elements. Okay, here we have seen the presentational elements: center, div, sub, super, small, break, br. You know the b, right? You know the br, you know the small. Italic means you are going to be learn further. We are going to be, you should not get the shape of the, that means the style of the text. Center you have learned. The font means here the font you are going to be increase the size. These are all the presentational elements you are going to be learn here today. Okay, thank you one and all.